Hi friends, my name is Asif and today I am going to talk about if your Boya mic is not working, then how can you solve it? How can you solve the problem of Boya mic? First of all, sometime the reason of Boya mic not working is the battery. If the battery is old and it's not working, then you can check it out whether it's a problem of battery or not by giving some charge to the battery. And today I'm going to tell you about how you can give the charge to the old battery, to check it out whether the problem is of battery or the other problems. So before starting, please, I have a polite appeal to you that subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get the latest update of my channels. So let's start. First of all, you have to do the same thing as you have to open the Boya mic and get out the cell from it. And if you have a 12-volt battery or 12-volt charger of a battery like UPS, you have to put the plus sign and the minus sign for just a moment, and obviously it will heat up. And now there will be some charge, so you have to then put the cell, I mean CMS battery, the battery of Boya mic, into the mic and check it out. If the problem is with the battery, then it will be solved, and you can buy a new battery, or as you can afford to. Then okay, thanks for watching my video and goodbye for now.